Almost was wrecked back there. Thought Parsons had Parsons in a little bit of contact with I think it was Daniel Dye. Almost spun himself out. They're going to one. Eckes won this race dominant fashion 2024. Now side by side for P2 with Caden Honeycutt trying to catch Lane Riggs. Still 82 laps to go in this race and it's 12 o'clock. Well, in about a couple seconds it'll be 12 o'clock. Oh, I think we just got a wreck. Yeah, 98 rather. 77. Involved as well, Jesse Love. It's a lot into the back of that 98. And, oh, Tanner Gray rather. That 98's killed.
Not good. So we know Tanner in the 15 and Jesse Love had their incident before.
Well, a couple of those trucks were running in the top 10 when that went down.
It's officially midnight. It is officially Saturday. Hell yeah. Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
And then we saw.
Let's go on board with Frankie Muniz. Take us through, from his perspective, what happened here on the restart.
Being 2 rows ahead, and you can see those guys just started spinning. Can't tell what started it.
Actually, wasn't that big of a hit from 98. Didn't look like, at least. Maybe shorten the thing up.
Still hard to tell what started it all.
Yeah, because one Fox, we never know what the fuck happens.
That's a big hit for the 98.
We've missed a flip. We've missed a truck on his side down the front stretch. We missed literally everything from Watkins Glen.
Tanner Gray, all this work continuing on pit road.
Those teams will do their best to get that thing back to where he can make some laps, but man, that looks like a mess.
If you're looking for the Live Golf in South Korea, it is currently starting on FS2. At the end of this race, we'll take you to South Korea to watch the third round
South?
of Live Golf.
What about the West Korea?